Hey everybody, this is Kumeng with another Hmong lesson for you guys. Today we're going to go through the J tone. So I'm not going to emphasize that tones are important anymore because I think I overemphasized that, but you guys should all know that tones are important. Got it? So anyways, continue on with the J tone. So G stands for tone, Du stands for sky. So it's actually the sky tone, right? So Cim Ntuj is the sky tone. It sounds like this: Cim Ntuj, Cim Ntuj, or Ndu. The word by itself is Ndu, right? So you guys hear that subtle tone and how it is. People describe it as a straight up tone, right? Ndu, Ndu. But the way I like to think of it is that it's a down tone first and then a straight up tone. So Ndu, like that. Ndu, like that. Kind of like a J. Ndu, Ndu, like that. So, alright, so it goes down first and then straight up. So Ndu, like that. So here's some more syllables and sounds for you guys so that you guys don't just hear the oo sound. You guys can hear other sounds as well. So for instance, these words, oo, oo, ah, ah, oo, oo. Wait, who wrote this? Who wrote this? So there's no real way to relate the J tone to the word Ndu. Maybe you'll just have to think of it like it's rising up towards the sky, and so it's Ndu, right? So to the sky, so it's a sky tone. But let's have fun with the word Ndu anyways. So do you know how to express disbelief in the Hmong language? Yeah. So you actually say Nduwe, right? Kind of disbelief at what's happening. So Nduwe. So for instance, like this. Did you hear? Me and Pa got together. Nduwe. Did you hear? Me and Pa broke up again. Nduwe. So another way that Hmong people use Ndu is actually not just the sky but the heavens as well. Interesting. So it can also be heavens. So for instance, like an elder will always tell me, "Oh, Tua, she told Oli Do Bonner." And for instance, you can also use it as like like a praying. So like, "Oh, Talundu, Takato, Edo Tokusindalo, Tao Tao." You got to Takato A plus ma. Takato A plus. And there you have it, the J tone or the sky tone, Cim Ntuj. It's a straight up tone, just like the J. Or the way I think of it, it goes down first and up, so Ndu, like that, Ndu. Alright, there you guys have it. It's been Kumeng. Thank you guys for watching.